it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger, and I'm in my new house, not quite moved in yet. What we're doing is over the next 4 weeks, we're gonna slowly start moving stuff in, but I have been here every weekend doing some things, and I believe my youngest son, he's gonna come up here and stay at the house while we are at the other house packing up and getting stuff moved. But what I did, and you've seen in my previous video, these are my kitchen cabinets. So live, in effect, done. I'm gonna bring you closer to them so that you can see. I did do it with a paintbrush. I had 3 different paintbrushes that I used. You don't really see any brush marks, but you do kind of see like a little antique-y look. I kind of like that look. So I am gonna probably keep it that way. Every now and then, I'll probably do a little bit of a touch-up. And I'm gonna consider sealing these, because if you seal the cabinets, the less chance it'll get all scuffed up. And when we're all living here, that may happen. So I may want to get some clear coat sealant and seal the cabinets. But I went and bought something else that's going to be, I think, a winner with the whole kitchen theme. So this is my dining room area. And I think I showed you, I had a friend of mine do this dining room for me when I found out which kind of style house that I was going to buy. So she did the dining room and kind of resurfaced. We bought an old dining room set from someone, and then she painted it and got it all nice for me. And then we had found these chairs online, and so we have 2 of those at each end of the table. So it works out really well. So now I can have my family over for meals. In addition to painting the cabinet, we also did these chairs, and these were black and like a brown color, but we painted these, and I'm going to get some cushions. So that way we have additional seating at the dining room. But I purchased this really cool cabinet for $40 on a garage sale site. Here it is. I repainted it, and it has the farmhouse look, which is the look I'm going for. And so I could put all my memorabilia in here. And so I'm really excited. So that is going to go up on the wall in this area. So I'm excited about that. And then the same friend that did that table for me, she did a living room coffee table for me. This is what it looks like. And so it has drawers to keep your remotes and all that good stuff in. And so that's going to be great. And then I bought this cute bench seating. I'm turning the light so you can kind of get the full effect. But yesterday I went and I found this gentleman on a garage sale site, and he makes benches on his farm. So he did this bench. It's so sturdy. I paid $100 for it. So people can sit here and take off their shoes when they come in. And then I've been looking on Pinterest. I'm a Pinterest lover, and for different decorative ideas. And I found this one. And so I decided to do it in my home. So the only thing missing from my entryway area is I'm going to put a shelf coat rack here, and then probably put some cute farm memorabilia up there. So I'll put that up here and kind of level it off to the H, so it'll be the right level. But I love this entryway bench. And then over here, when you first come in my front door here, that's the front door. So they look kind of like this wall. So I put this sign. Actually, I got this free yesterday. So I put this sign there, and I think I'm going to put another one of these cute little wreaths right next to it here. I have a 50% off coupon at Michael's Arts and Crafts, so I'm going to go and do that. So that'll take care of the entry, and then people will turn and they'll see this. So that's perfect. So now what I'm working on is there are a few things I want to do. I got to get some more garland from Michael's Arts and Crafts. Of course, I'm going with more of a farmhouse theme. So above my dining room here where the light fixture is, put some garland there. I'm going to put some here, and I'm going to put some on the top part of my cabinets. Not a lot, just a little bit. And then I'm going to put it on my cute little farmhouse cabinet when it's hanging on the wall. And then maybe just a little bit more right here on top of my fireplace. And my flat screen will be hanging up there. So that will top that off. I don't want to do pictures or overdo it with decoration. So in the living room, I am going to do a farmhouse clock. and I'll probably put it on here. It'll be really cute, just enough bright size for that. And then over here, I found some cute shutters, barn door shutters, and I'm gonna put those here. And then that'll top off my living room and all that I need for decorating it. I am gonna get a different bed. I decided the bed I have now I'm gonna give to my uncle because he's moving as well. And so he'll have his own place so he can have that. I'm gonna get a king size bed because I need that. So I'm gonna put a white king size bed in my room and then probably get some dressers and things like that. So I'll be working on that within the next couple weeks. So hopefully most of the stuff at the house that I have now, I just have to go through, throw a lot of things out. And there's some things that I'll be keeping, like my living room furniture, my movie theater stuff, all of that. But otherwise, I have a place for everything. And I'm kind of starting all over with the furniture and everything, except for my living room furniture, which I have not had the opportunity to really enjoy. It's corduroy furniture. It's a couch, 2 chairs with the ottomans. I like the style. It's in keeping with the farmhouse theme that I'm planning. All I got to do is get some pillows to dress it up, get some pillows for my bench here to dress that up a little bit more. So it's going to work out really nice. I'm really excited. It's all a work in progress, but keep watching. More video footage coming up. Okay, so I'm in the bathroom of my home. There was one more thing that I forgot to show you. So I switched out these cabinets. So these cabinets are now white. And I will show you a video at the end of what these cabinets look like. They were a dark brown color, just kind of like the kitchen, but even worse. And so what I did was painted these, removed the knobs, sanded them, painted them, put the knobs back on. And now I have beautiful white cabinets in my bathroom. And it looks so much nicer. It's in keeping with the theme for a master bath. I love my shower and everything, but I still got to decorate in here a little bit. But that was a big accomplishment. The only thing that I'm working on basically right now is I just got a little TV in here for now. Spending the night here helping out, but I'm gonna paint this. My Believe sign, it's red. I'm gonna paint it white, and then I'm gonna stick that above my cabinet in the kitchen. So, told you everything. I'll have more videos, I'm sure, within the next couple of weeks. I'm going to be back to doing my videos again, thank goodness. And then when we go up to the cabin, there's more renovation and things to do up there. So lots to share with you guys. So keep watching, more video footage coming up.